Hey you all over there, my single buddies, I know you just came here, watching this video, because you are lonely inside and want a girl to take care for you. So, in this video I will teach you how to get a girlfriend who is absolutely into you. So, open up your ears and eyes and sit in a comfortable position because now I am gonna teach you how to get yourself a girl. Before learning this trick, make sure you like and subscribe this channel so that you won't miss any interesting topic that we discuss here. First of all, you need to do is skip this fact that you truly love one girl and will stick to her at any cost. Bro, she doesn't give a fuck about your emotions towards her. As you are concentrating only on one girl, she can sense that, and she will be overwhelmed by you and this will make her turn off. So don't pressurize her and don't force her to love you. All you need to do is meet other girls, connect with them, and keep them friend-zoned. This will create a tension across your bond and the true girl will begin to give her level best to break the bond that you made with her. So, here we learned that our first motive is to meet other girls and friend-zone all of them. So, the question arises, how to meet more girls? Listen carefully bro, girls are also present at clubs, night areas, and also in library, gym and institutions. It depends on you how you think about her and what is your type. If you want good girls then, school, institutions, gym, library, cafes, shopping malls, parks, weddings, yoga classes, dancing classes are your best options to meet more girls. Next you need to know that women can sense desperation on you. Once a girl gives you a little bit of attention, you start to fantasize about your relationship, your life, your kids, this, that, and etc. This only creates a tension and sensing this desperation she is only turned off by you. The second thing that you do is believe in true love, right? You are so obsessed over one girl that you do not even know, like that girl has given no sort of value yet. I am not saying that true love doesn't exist, but what I want to say is that on the first sight with a girl, attraction is established. You make eye contact, smile, that means you are attracted to her personality. Now, the key here is if you pursue that girl in the long run with clear intention, that is the point where true love exists. So, what I am trying to say that is, make yourself first. This will help you establish the game of attraction. If you don't have good looks, good manners, then how will you be able to attract a girl towards you? So, the basic need to make a girl attracted to yourself is all about your skin, hairstyle, physique, dressing sense, and lastly, manners. These are the foundations that a girl seems to attract. After all, now I am telling you something special in this video. Whenever you see a good girl and you get attracted to her, simply be bold and head to her and lead her with the convo. You can start as, "Hi, my name is, and I just wanted to introduce myself as you look pretty." Tell about yourself in brief and eventually she will also lead the convo. And then your main goal is to take something from her so that you can contact her again and immediately leave from there. As you all are my loyal subscribers, I am giving you a secret tip about reading her sign language about you. If she makes an eye contact with you and immediately looks down, then she is into you. And if she looks sideways, then she is just trying to manipulate your brain. Look at her feet. If that is pointing towards you, then good luck bro, she is into you, and if not, then sadly move on. If she smiles and laughs even at your silly jokes or convos, then immediately remember my teachings. She is into you, and if not, then move on. Be open and honest about your feelings and intentions. Remember that communication is the key in any relationship. Remember, finding a girlfriend takes time and patience. Don't be discouraged if things don't happen right away, and don't rush into anything. Focus on building meaningful connections and let things progress naturally. Let me know down in the comments below what more should be added to this, and don't forget to like and subscribe this channel for such more fashion, health, and dating advices.